Hello everybody, welcome to the second video. We speak about curtain wall in the Revit, but in advance. Let's start. Today we will speak about how to make curtain wall or curtain shape for the roof in the messing. First thing, we will make mesh. To start, we go to mesh and mesh in place, close and name mesh 1. Okay, I will cancel. First I need to make grid here, grid 1, make create similar and make offset 2.5 meters, this 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, after this we go to mesh and make an place mesh. Okay, set the plan. I told him I need to draw in grade 1. Okay, he go to the elevation. Okay, now I will draw the shape I need for mesh, like this, from here up to here. Okay, and make this 2 meters. Okay, and here 2 meters. After this I will make this shape. Okay, I will go to the grade 2 and draw the same for this, and I will change this curve to be like this. Okay, after this I will go to grade 3, grade 3 in the half space, so I will make it similar to the first one. Okay, after this I will go to 4 and make 4 similar to the big one. After this I will go to grade 5 and make it as first one. Okay, after this I will make 3D, check. This what I draw, this is the profile I draw to make shape after this. So I will select this by tab. I will select this shape. I will select this by control. Okay, I will make edit. This, press control, press control, press control, press control, and make solid from here. Okay, I will make shift and scroll, and I go to make realistic. It's not appear this too much change, so I can make edit profile here. If I make edit profile for this and make this, I'm sorry, okay, I will make edit this one. Okay, say yeah, and this edit. Okay, now I have mesh and I need to make curtain wall in this shape. I finish mesh. Okay, I will go to architecture and click curtain system. After this I will select the surface I need to make curtain. It will come like this. After this you can make edit as you need. Here you can make 10, no problem, and make here 10 and click apply. It will come in as you say. Okay, you can edit type and make million as you need. I will take this as example. Okay, you can make custom model for million, and for the panel we explain this in the first video. Okay, like this, it became amazing. Okay, there is another shape I can make it. Another way I can make it. I will make Ctrl Z to undo. After this, the other way, I will select this and make edit in place. If I select this face, he gives you here divide surface. If I make it, he gave me option for this divide. U in this direction and V in the other direction. Okay, I need in U and V. Okay, okay. The other thing is surface. He make like this or return to the other one. Okay, he give here the number of the grid U if you need increase. Okay, increase. If you need increase, I make increase. Okay, okay, okay. The other thing we speak about pattern. Pattern, he speak about this panel, the shape of this panel. If I select here, there is too much thing. If I select octagon, okay, I can make edit. I'm sorry, you can here select the border tile, you can cancel, or you can make it partial, or you can overhanging. Okay, overhanging like this, or partial like this. Okay, you can give the grid angle like this. Okay, and you can select the parameters for the U grid here and the V grid from here. Okay, okay, make apply. Okay, I select and return for no pattern. Okay, I make finish. Okay, the other thing we need to speak about this pattern. If we need to make pattern by family, I will go to file and make new and make new family. Don't save. I'm sorry, I don't save. I will open, and from curtain wall panel pattern based, I will open it and I make custom shape for the pattern. From here I can select this one and make it triangle, no problem, triangle. Okay, after this I will go to floor plan and I will draw reference from here up to here, and after this I need to put point. This point I need to select it to not associated. After this I go to here and I select this one, I'm sorry, select this and move it. Okay, as this. What I need to make now, I need to make reference, and from here and make snap for CD snap. Okay, and from here up to here, if I make shift like this, okay, from here up to here. Okay, I will delete this one, and from this reference, and press Ctrl for this one and this one, and make create form, solid form. He give you surface or volume. I give surface. Okay, it's coming like this. After this, I select this one and this one and this one, and make form, and the same thing. Make shift and scroll, and press this one, Control, press this one, press this one, press this one, press this one by Control. After this, by solid shape, you can give it like one. Okay, this is the shape I make for pattern custom one. Okay, if I select this, I need to know how dimension. No, I make dimension 30 by 30. Okay, okay, see the better. I'm sorry, I make Control Z. Okay, this one by Control and Control, and make form. Okay, if you need to change the dimension for this one, you must make it before make level 1. Okay, before you start in this custom shape. Okay, after this, I go to metric and make it pattern 1. Okay, and make option, and in option save, make only one backup. Press OK, save. Okay, after this, load into project. Okay, he will go to our project, and from here you can make edit in place and select this one, and in the pattern you have pattern 1 here. Select, it's coming. Okay, it's coming. As you say, the shape it changed, totally it changed. You can change the size from the reference from here and make any change you need. After this, you can move from this one. You can change everything in this pattern, and after this you can reload it again. Okay, this everything we need to speak about in this part. About we start by make, yeah, we start by make this curtain wall for the messing, and after this we speak about the default pattern by program or your pattern you need to make. Okay, you can make here any shape you need, and after this reload in your project. Thank you, bye bye.